For this tutorial today, we'll be continuing with our Bybit tutorial series that we started previously on our channel. The topic for today promises to be very interesting and educative, a topic that opens and broadens your mind to other ways of earning on the Bybit exchange. You might have heard about it and you may not, so I urge you all to stay tuned and watch and listen. Get your pen and paper and write down the steps so that it will enable you to carry out the practice using your Bybit exchange. And I also want to tell you that this topic is both for the newbies and those that are not new. It is aimed at not just for those that are a master in cryptocurrency. Even those that are not master can carry out this particular strategy. So I urge you all to sit down, relax, and pay attention to this information that I'll be sharing today. So I welcome you all to my channel Wealth Alert, where I remain your great guide into making money through simplified tutorials. The word simplified is emphasized because all our tutorials are always simplified and explicit. We take it step by step to ensure that even someone that is just totally new in the crypto space will be able to follow these steps and understand. You can see that we've been having our Bybit tutorial series, and this tutorial for today is in continuation of it. So I urge you all that are new to my channel, that are also new in the use of the Bybit exchange, to first and foremost start by watching this first video on Bybit interface tutorial for beginners. Then you now learn how to buy and sell. That is depending on the region where you are watching me from, because some region Bybit exchange is not being used, while some regions Bybit is being used. If Bybit exchange is not used in your region, you pick the knowledge and apply it to the exchanges that are being used in your region. Then how to copy your wallet address, which is a must in order for transfer of funds from one exchange to another. Most transfers are done using the wallet addresses. And then how to withdraw funds. With this being said, I welcome you once again to my channel. To all my existing subscribers, I welcome you. And to those who are new to my channel, I also welcome you. It's glad having you here. And I urge you all to kindly click on the subscribe icon, give me a like, and drop a comment on the comment section so that this video can be widely spread by YouTube based on the interactions and the activities that are being carried out in my channel. I beg you, our subscription is totally free. Please kindly give me a subscribe icon. So we'll delve into our topic properly for today. We are back to our Bybit exchange. Here is the home page, the market, the derivatives, trades, and assets. For today's tutorial, we are delving on the home page. So on your home page, there's this icon here called the More section. So you click on the More section. It's open to different products and services being rendered by the Bybit exchange. But the particular service that we are discussing today is the lending on Bybit. Lending generally is just like you lend out, that is, you borrow out funds to someone in need, and that person and you are not borrowing out these funds for free. You are borrowing it out at little to minimal profit on it. So Bybit acts as the intermediary between you, the lender, and the borrower. So Bybit collects those funds, issue them out to the borrower at a particular percentage, and then pays you back your fund with your own percentage. That is, Bybit make money from the money, you also make money. And also bear in mind that this lending on Bybit exchange is not a get rich quick syndrome. It's not something you do that makes you get rich quick. The main essence of this particular tutorial for today is to show you what to do with your fund when you are not yet set for a particular activity. So instead of that fund to be lying down fallow in your Bybit exchange, you can now put it to use and to be giving you a passive income pending when you make up your mind on the particular trade or the particular action you want to carry out with that fund. So here is the lending. We've clicked on it. So this is showing you the different coins, that is different crypto coins that can be lended on the Bybit exchange. You can see that the list is much, it's still going down. So there are so many. But for someone who is new in the crypto space, I will urge you to carry out your lending using the stable coins such as the USDT, which is stable. Let's go on and check for others. We also have the USDC. They are all stable coins. This DAI is also stable, though not completely stable, but it's still stable as compared to others. BUSD is also stable. So all these are stable coins. I urge you to carry it out this particular tutorial using stable coins. So all you need to do is to ensure that you have funds on your on the spot session of your Bybit exchange. Let's go back there. Let me show you for those who may not understand. Here is the spot session of your Bybit. So ensure that you have funds on this spot session. That is, the fund on this spot session will be the one that will enable you carry out a successful lending on your Bybit exchange. So we'll go back to our lending where we'll continue with our tutorial properly. So now you can see that on the different coins, it shows the estimated percentage profit that you are to earn. On the USDT, it gives you a percentage earning profit of 11.69% APR. USDT gives you 4.41%, and the list goes on and on. Once we go up, you can still see the AXS gives another high profit of 11.55 APR. So if you want those with higher percentage, you can keep scrolling and check for them. So it's very simple. With your funds on your spot session of your wallet, all you need to do is to click on the lend against the particular crypto that you have chosen. So once you click on lend, the page opens up like this. It tells you that the last APR that was paid was 12.13%, telling you that the percentage profit being paid is not static, it's flexible. You can also see that this particular lending is a flexible process, meaning that your funds that is being lended can be retrieved as at the time you need it and at the point of agreement. So it also covers a 24-hour trend. Then it gives you a minimum. It says that a minimum of 54 USDT is what you can use to carry out a lending. So once you do that, you can also enable auto lend. That is, peradventure, you have free coins in your exchange, that is in your wallet, and your mind is not there. By enabling this auto lend, it automatically puts you into a lending activity, so that all you need to do, you only keep getting your profit. And then it also gives you their rules and their questions and answers on this Bybit lending. So it's also good for you to click on it and read through to give you a detailed understanding. And then also you come here to confirm that you have read and you agree to the Bybit lending agreement. Then you now lend. It's as simple as this. So all you need to do first and foremost is to put in your funds, and they say minimum is 54. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll carry it out this way so that you can see how it works. I'm not going to enable auto lending, as I don't want it to be on auto lending. I want to make it an intentional act to enter into lending when I want to. So you now move up again. It now tells you that the daily redemption limit is 300 million USDT, and the lending time commences from this 1953 hours. The value time will be by and the following day, which is the value time will be in an hour's time, which will be 20:00 hours, and the interest time is going to be by 21. So what is it telling you? That this lending, you earn your profit on an hourly basis. So following this time, you start by 1953, the value time is by 20, and then your profit time is by 21. So starting a lend, once we carry out this lending now, it's expected that by 21:00 we will now successfully close this particular lending and choose to re-enter again. So it's something that you make your money on an hourly basis. So I'll put in my fund, then I'll now click I have agreed, then I now click on lend. So you can see it now shows successfully lent. I have successfully lent 54 USDT. Loan to pool ratio is 93.15%, and then the estimated APR is 11.69 and is flexible. So all I need to do now is to click on confirm. I click on confirm. So the lending process has been carried out. If you want to now to see your lending, you click on my lendings. It will now show you your lending that is ongoing. So you click on it. When it's time to redeem, this is where you come back to redeem. So let's take a summary of today's tutorial. You come to your home page, you click on the more. On clicking on the more, you scroll up under your finance, you click on lending. As soon as lending opens up, you select the particular crypto you want to use for your lending process. And also, before I forget, you bear in mind that if you want to use any other crypto other than USDT, you will need to go and buy those crypto using your spot trading session to buy them, or use your convert to buy those crypto before you now come to carry out this lending, because the particular crypto you choose, you need to have it in your sports wallet to enable you click on this lend. You can see this ZRX has a 27.76% ratio, which is also high. So once you now click on the lend, you just come in, you put in the quantity, that is the amount of USDT you want to carry out, you want to lend out. You confirm that you have read through, then you carry out your process. You can see it's very simple. I believe that this tutorial has been a great guide to those who are hearing of Bybit lending for the first time, and for those who have heard of it and did not fully understand, they now understand that it's a flexible process. Bear in mind that this particular lending on Bybit is flexible. You carry it out on an hourly basis. So just as I said, if you have funds in your account that you are not sure of using for the whole day, you can also put it on auto lend so that throughout that 24 hours it keeps on re-entering for you, so that you keep on earning within that 24 hours, so that by the time you want to use it, you redeem it and continue to use your funds. And also bear in mind that it's not a get rich quick trading strategy. It's a passive earning strategy where you earn passively from Bybit. And then this particular tutorial, if you've been watching me up to this point, it shows that you understand and you are gaining knowledge from what I am doing and you are enjoying it. And I still beg and plead with you that is new to my channel to kindly subscribe, drop your comment and like my videos. Also share the videos so that more people can be reached through my channel. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video where I'll share other trading strategies for other earnings using your Bybit exchange. See you and bye for now.